Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing ECAMM AI and Vizard. Both of them are AI powered video tools, but they are built for very different goals. Which one should you use to power up your finance content? Let's find out. When we look at their ease of use, ECAMM AI is streamlined for live presenters, while Vizard AI is beginner friendly and has auto tools. When we look at their AI tools, ECAMM AI has auto camera switching, captions, and scene transitions actually. Vizard AI repurposes long videos into short clips. When we look at their price, ECAMM AI is subscription-based and has mid-range pricing, while Vizard AI has a free trial, plus it has affordable premium plan. When we look at what they're best for, ECAMM AI is best for live webinars, finance talks, and pro streams, while Vizard AI is best for social media highlights, TikTok and LinkedIn Reels. When we look at their speed, ECAMM AI has real-time enhancement, while Vizard AI has instant short-form cut downs. When we look at the output style, ECAMM AI is polished, professional, and gives you broadcast level outputs. Vizard AI gives you bite-sized, trendy, and shareable output. In conclusion, ECAMM AI is made for professionals. Think webinars, live finance shows, and polished broadcast level streams. Vizard AI, on the other hand, takes your long videos and instantly transforms them into short, engaging clips, which is perfect for social media growth. So if you are going big with live events and pro presentations, ECAMM AI is your pick. But if you want fast, viral-ready finance clips, then Vizard AI is the winner. Which one would you choose? Drop your comments and don't forget to like, subscribe for more smart comparisons right here. See you in the next video.